Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your free market update. Okay, so this morning it was all about long side trades in the euro dollar. Euro dollar had been trending down for just over a week now, and today was the time to catch that reversal. You might be asking, why are you counter trend trading? Shouldn't you be trading with the trend? And you are 100% right. 9 times out of 10, you should be trading with the trend. It's much easier to make money trading with the trend. But there are times when you can catch reversals. Now, you don't just guess when the market's going to reverse. You need to rely on your indicators to tell you when a potential reversal is going to come. So let's dive into the charts, because I can explain it better for you and show you the signals we were looking for to catch this reversal this morning to make our day's money in the euro dollar. Let's dive into the charts, guys. Okay, so we're in the euro dollar chart. We're going to start with the daily time frame here, and you can see we had a pro trend system buy just here at 112.93 to short that market, which was great because then the market's pushed lower. We got down to 111.96. Okay, so a nice 100 pip move on the swing trade there. But it wasn't about the swing trade short, it was about the morning move this morning to try and get long. Now, the storyteller indicator was giving us a 2-wave long. So that's basically meaning that we're making an equal or lower low, but the storyteller isn't. And that's what we got. We got that heads up that we could see a reversal. See, it happened here and the market reversed nicely. But then we started to investigate this even more and went down to the 4-hour time frame. And now we're looking at the 4-hour charts with the pro trend system. So we've got a lower high, trend predictor pushed it down. We dropped below moving averages. Now we're trending lower, short here, short here. But look at the storyteller. We're making higher lows on the storyteller. So with us being at support as well as having a 2-wave long, we're at support. Okay, so we're at support. So potential reversal happening here to the upside. Then it's a case then a nice £1,400 in the bank here. So then what we're looking for is smaller time frame entries. So we investigate the higher time frame, then start dropping down to the smaller time frame, and you can see that we get this morning move that takes it up very, very nicely indeed. So red into green, and we pushed higher for a nice move to the upside here, guys. All right. So just dissecting this euro chart, just to summarize, looking for that reversal on the bigger time frames, dropping down to the 4-hour, then dropping down even further to a 15-minute chart to take the signal on pro trading system and momentum trigger storyteller. All right, guys, and we managed to bank 1,400 on that. So hope it helps. I'm going to be talking about this type of strategy and what we do here as day traders as well as swing traders at our Learn to Trade Live, and that is coming up very, very soon. If you go to our website and go to Learn Courses and Learn to Trade Live, 13th of April on a Saturday, I'm going to be talking about day trading, swing trading strategies. Great chance to come and have a chat with all of us and just talk trading and learn how to trade the markets, guys. All right. So hope it helps, and register on the Learn to Trade Live website page in Trading College under the courses section. All right. And I'll speak to you and meet you at Learn to Trade Live. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.